DoorDash order cancellations often happen because items are out of stock or the store is unexpectedly closed. This is worsened by supply chain problems and busy hours. Restaurants may close due to emergencies or operating hour mismatches. To immediately address this, check the store's real-time status before ordering. Use the Order Ahead feature for popular items to avoid shortages. If canceled due to out of stock or closure, you usually get an automatic refund within 24 hours. If not, report it through the app or website within 5 days with evidence like screenshots. DoorDash is prioritizing merchant health in its algorithm, which can affect your experience. The company is also rolling out AI to show potential issues before you order. If cancellations are a regular problem, manually appeal via DoorDash customer support through chat or email if the automatic refund doesn't work. This process can take 3 to 7 days. If unresolved, escalate to third-party mediators like the Better Business Bureau or state consumer protection agencies. Use third-party apps like Delivery Dash to find alternative services with better reliability. DoorDash plans to use AI for dynamic menu updates by 2026, potentially reducing cancellations by 25%. The rise of ghost kitchens is also helping to reduce physical store issues. DoorDash's new Dash Pass Premium gives priority order processing and guaranteed refunds on some cancellations. Experts say better data sharing with restaurants is key. Consider competitors like Grubhub and Uber Eats, which often have lower cancellation rates.